Sakubona mfundi, let me teach you how to address different people in your life. For example, a friend is called umngane ngesindebele. But when you're talking to the friend, you say mngane or mngane wami, wami, my, right? So my friend, mngane wami. If you're asking the question, when will we see each other, my friend? Ngizakubona nini mngane wami? Literally, when will I see you, my friend? All right. So when you're now addressing your friend, you drop the you and you just say mngane. Also, we have isihlobo, which means a relative, right? So you can address your relative and say sihlobo sam. This is a term that people use even for friends, you know, friends that have become like family. Okay. So sihlobo sami. You could ask them the question, ungaphi kulezi insuku sihlobo sami? Where are you these days? My relative or fam. It's actually better translates to fam, right? Yeah, isihlobo. Then we have umakhelwane. Umakhelwane, that's your neighbor, all right? You can be like uvuke njani makhelwane. Good morning, my neighbor, all right? Makhelwane wami if you want. Then umzala is a cousin, umzala, right? But when you're talking about your cousin, you say mzawami. When you're talking to him or her, mzawami, all right? Wenzani namuhla mzawami? What are you doing today, my cousin? Angithi, umntwana is a child, but if you are talking to your child, you say mntanami. That's how you say my child. Angithi, you can ask them, usudlile yini mntanami? Have you eaten, my child? Angithi, umastanda. What does that sound like? That is your landlord. Angithi, you could say what to them? Linjani mastanda. How are you, my landlord or landlady? Right. So that's how we address them. Angithi, umbalisi is a teacher, right? But when you're talking to umbalisi, you say mbalisi, right? Mbalisi. For example, you want to ask, what does this mean, teacher? Lokhu kuchoni mbalisi. Angithi, lokhu kuchoni mbalisi wami. You can always add wami or not. It's up to you, right? When you add wami, you sound like you adore the person more than when you don't, right? When you say mbalisi wami, when you say mngane wami, it sounds like there's more love there. Okay, right? Then umbalisi calls you umfundi. So a student is called umfundi, right? But when the teacher is talking to you, he or she will say mfundi wami. Angithi, here's an example of a question. Uyazwisisa yini mfundi? Do you understand, student? Are you understanding? All right. Boyfriend, we call him ijaha. And ijaha lami, my boyfriend, right? And then so now when you're talking to him, you say jaha lami. Angithi, for example, uzangiphathelani jaha lami? What will you bring for me, my boyfriend? Right? But girlfriend is called intombi. Intombi yami. And then now when you are talking to her, you say intombi yami. All right? For example, ngikuphatheleni ntombi yami. What should I bring you? My girlfriend. I hope it makes sense. And let me see in the next lesson.